If you want to improve your stamina but don't have access to a gym, don't worry. You can still build endurance and strength using simple bodyweight exercises. With consistency and the right routine, you can train your body to perform better and stay energized longer. Today, I'll share 4 effective exercises you can do anywhere to boost your stamina. Exercise 1. High knees. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Begin running in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Swing your arms naturally to maintain balance. Perform this exercise for 30 to 40 seconds. High knees are great for increasing heart rate and improving cardiovascular endurance. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that strengthens your upper body and core. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest toward the floor, then push back up. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise builds strength and muscular endurance. Exercise 3. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if sitting on a chair. Keep your back straight and chest up. Then return to the starting position. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions. Squats strengthen your legs and improve stamina over time. Exercise 4. Plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position with your elbows under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core and hold the position for 30 to 40 seconds. This exercise improves core stability and endurance. Complete this routine as a circuit for 3 to 4 rounds, resting for about 30 seconds between rounds. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more fitness content. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.